Good evening, chairpersons. I'm going to present my work on early rehabilitation in preterms towards better outcomes. Now, early rehabilitation for preterms is a must, starting in the NICU to avert a lot of issues by providing an environment similar to the mother's womb. Emphasis is not only on early intervention to provide a better quality of life to the neonate. Now, the specifications for early rehab in the NICU includes light levels, sound levels, temperature, and positioning in this degrees. Now, when we have the AAP recommendations for preterms in NICU, the distractions which can be used are toys, illuminated targets, nursery, rhymes, music, mothers singing, and animal sounds. And these recommendations go on right up to 6 months of age, where they can continue even after the child goes out of the NICU in the form of massage, positional exercises, and games, and tummy time. Now, what are the rehabs which can be done in the NICU itself? Warm NICU with dim lights, soothing music, mother's voice, mother's handkerchief next to the baby, mother's smell, mother's biorhythm and her sleep and wake cycles if you give the child to the mother once in a way, neonatal cuddler, oromotor stimulation which includes sucking, rooting and snout reflexes, swaddling and kangaroo care, therapist assisted range of motion exercises, neonatal aquatic physiotherapy which comes little later, kinesthetic stimulation with exercises little later, and reduced pain stimuli because the pain insults are more in the younger age group because they are pricked very often, the eyes are seen, etc. Early rehab after that at 6 months starts with the visual the eyes are definitely seen earlier up to 3 months, but at 6 months you have to do their cycloplegic refraction, glasses, vision therapy, amblyopathy therapy if there is, and squint correction if it develops. So later interventions are those of oral motor interventions, occupational therapy, physical therapy, speech and language therapy. The comparison between two sets of preemies from two hospitals. We waited for at least about 6 or 7 years to collect the same kind of children. That is, one is a state-of-art multi-speciality hospital with all amenities in the NICU with expert physiotherapists who come and give the therapy, and 15 preemies ranging from 26 to 32 weeks gestation, birth weight ranging from 800 to 1050 grams. So we have kept those things static, and the amount of oxygen given was blended oxygen over 2 to 5 days in the hospital X, which was the good hospital, as against another hospital labeled Y with no such amenities. We found that the preponderance of males was more in the good hospital, and in hospital Y it was almost equal. The gestational age ranged between 29 to 30 weeks in the X group, and in the Y group it was 26 to 28.6, which had major prevalence of cases, and the birth weight ranged from 800 to 900 in the hospital X, and the hospital Y showed 800 to 900. The risk factors that we studied were in this way. The hospital X showed apnea, bradycardia, aspiration, hypoxia, feeding much lesser than hospital Y. When we talk about early rehabilitation in terms of eyes, we found that number of patients who developed ROP was 26.6, and treatable ROP was 13.3 as against 33.3 in the other group. Motor, speech, cognition, behavior, dental was more in the hospital Y. The ADD, ADHD, CP and ASD was more in the hospital Y. And the number of glasses is almost similar between 80% and 86.66%. So the inference is hospital X preemies were overall better than hospital Y, where early rehabilitation was carried out. The need for glasses was the same in both groups. Thank you.
Okay, so ma'am, since you were saying that there were motor, speech and cognitive functions were better developed when they were in hospital X, at what age were they finally evaluated for this?
See, generally, you evaluate them around 2 or 3 months, because if the child is showing any kind of signs of vision, of course they will not respond, but the motion exercises also help. And then as the child goes up to 6 months of age, you can have a definitive idea
But
whether
speech and cognition would also not be as easy to evaluate
it
at
wouldn't,
that.
but this is a follow-up, as I said, is of over 6-7 years. So we have followed these children right up to that point. So we are able to see, because they are referred early, whoever has a problem, to the physiotherapist or the occupational therapist, later to the vision therapist, to whatever is needed for the child, and then accordingly they get their rehabilitations. But we found that where they were given early rehab, they fared much better than the subset which didn't have the early
So the rehab that was given after they were out of the NICU,
No, it's starting in the NICU.
starting in the NICU, but
Yes.
after that they would
Even
have
after
been
that, yes, it
continued on
continued.
some kind of a special education or a vision therapy and on
It
all other
continued.
kinds
As
of
I said,
rehabs.
that this was in the NICU, that was the early rehabilitation. Then it went on even when the child had gone out of the NICU.
Yes.
It went on at 6 months, where we come in, and the vision therapist, if there is a requirement, comes in.
So-
And then the oromotor and all the occupational and physiotherapy continues thereafter if there is a problem.
So
faced.
this rehabilitation that was done after the NICU was the same for all the children? It was the same facility?
Whatever
or
was the
that couldn't-
requirement,
But it was done at the same place and by the same people?
yes, it was done by the same.
Because that could be a changing factor. If some children did go for further rehab and some did not, or they went to a different center where the rehab facility later on was not as great, then that would also affect the
No,
results.
it was two hospitals in the same area, referred to the same people who are in that vicinity.
Was there any confounding factor like birth weight, gestational age that may be the reason for this difference in between the hospitals?
That's the reason why we have taken the same
taken the same,
birth weight.
yes.
We've taken the same gestational age. So
Okay.
we didn't want discrepancies on that. So we have taken this, and we found the results to be like this.
Okay.